dreams I pick you up. I just wanna make it right. I know all about your troubles. Wanna drown into your eyes and feel your blue sky within.
So, Momshies, inom tayo ng salabat sa umaga. If you follow me on this vlog, alam niyo naman na I don't drink coffee all the time. Sometimes I drink salabat too. Especially if I have my online gig. As a freelancer mom, wherein napupuyat ako sa gabi. Also, I need to help my voice. Hindi naman ako kumakanta. I'm an online freelance host sa US time, Canada time. So, parang gabi yung duty ko and most of the time napapaos ako kasi salita ko ng salita sa freelance gig ko na yon. That's my mommy gig where tulog na yung mga bata, doon ako nag-work, no? So, I love drinking ginger tea or salabat kasi guys, mga Pilipino alam nyo to. Marami siyang benefits talaga. It helps with arthritis, if you're suffering with that. Yung mga joints yung sumasakit pag lagi ka lang nasa computer. It lowers blood sugar, it lowers cholesterol, it helps relieve menstrual cramps. Pag, for example, you want to maintain your weight like I am, it's just one of the few benefits of drinking salabat. And if you haven't tried any salabat yet, I would highly recommend this one. This is Sanlo Salabat. Ang maganda sa kanya is nakapack na siya. So, hindi ka mag-go-over ng lagay. And gusto ko yung health benefits. This one is with oregano. It's the first one na nakita ko with oregano. So, I'm drinking this one today. And they also have the original flavor and the one with honey kung meron kang sweet tooth like me.
Tamang-tama mga Momshies, may birthday sale ang Sanlo Salabat sa Lazada on March 27, kaya bumili na kayo and get up to 45% off. Super sulit na ng deal na to.
So I'm just gonna finish my salabat today and we're gonna continue on with cleaning this new house. So tara, let's do this, Momshies.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of
woman. I felt it deep inside, beautiful woman. People are talking me down, beautiful woman. You try to tell me what's right, the road gets longer. You turn all grey into white. Oh, and all the things I didn't say, there's wrecking balls inside my brain. Standing tall with all my faith, there's empty voices in my head, and they will always be around until I found the one again. Beautiful woman, sometimes we simply fall out. Beautiful woman, beautiful woman, tied to your love in a doubt. Beautiful woman, and all the things I didn't say, there's wrecking balls inside my brain. Standing tall with all my faith, there's empty voices in my head, and they will always be around until I found the one again. And all the things I didn't say, there's wrecking balls inside my brain. Standing tall with all my faith, there's empty voices in my head, and they will always be around until I found.
Mamaya, mag-online school na rin si Kuya River. Si-set up natin siya dito sa labas. Kasi it's a beautiful day today. And, gusto kong initin yung pandesal. Be careful. Ayan, nag-i-scooter na sila. Enjoy na kayo sa scooter nyo. Good morning. Okay. So, tara. We're going to use baking soda and suka.